right, I had an accident the other day when I was out testing the 195 iOS. I was testing active track and everything was working really nicely. Until I decided to land on my glass roof of the car. And when I descended put the drone in position and tried to descend into the roof, it slammed into the glass roof full speed. Which it seems I can't right now. Whoa! So it seems the drone did not take any damage from this, but I decided I wanted to take it for a small test spin here on this abandoned airfield where I've been many times before. This is basically the area I used for the range test. And let's just go further down here. This is a really fantastic place. It has been turned into a recreational area where it's allowed to go and fly your RC aircraft. And there's a lot of other activities going on out here. So that makes it quite ideal to do a test flight, especially if something happened to the drone. Then it's really nice that in case that it drops out of the sky, that I would be able to go and pick it up. So I have some weak antenna signals here. Maybe I should. I'm actually not that far away. So let's just. There's a nifty trick is if you start to see these blockages, just go further up. So what I wanted to show you was these hangers, basically. Nice. Let's just stop here for a second and then adjust the camera settings. I have a ND16 on here today. You can see that sort of the front side of the hanger, they are being overexposed. So let's just turn down the exposure here. Like this. We can maybe do a nice point of interest around here. We could also let the drone do the work, so let's just mark the building here, one of them, and then we can remove. Then we can just do active, no, point of interest here, yes. Like this. Then we can just let it circle around while we record. Maybe we should put up the speed a little bit here, because when we are far away from our object, putting some speed to the motion will help. But these are all the hangars for some of the aircrafts that were used out here, that was flying back and forward on this landing field. It's complaining a bit here of bad reception. And as far as I can see, I'm not very far out. But the signal is not particularly strong. But I'm also asking for it because I'm sitting inside my car. So the signal is moderate. But it seems even though it took quite a hit in the roof of the car, that it's actually working. And maybe I said that too fast. So now I've got a disconnection. Maybe I should just step out of the car here to see if I can. Yeah. So now it initiated the return to home. which is fair enough. And this is not what we are testing today, so I can't stay inside the car. It is so we just canceled the return to home here. Now I have I don't have full signal, but at least I have enough signal for me to navigate the drone. There's 3.2 kilometers of runway here. And as I said, it's being used for a lot of other stuff than just me flying my drone. People bicycle out here. I also think people are running out here. And a lot of stuff has happened here with this area since I started going out here some time back. See if I can step in here again. You see, I reset the camera settings here, so what I want to do here is to stop the drone here for a second. So I just want to make sure that I have everything under control here. So I just want my rule of third, want that enabled. And I also want the overexposure warnings, so I know what's going on. You can see the altitude indicator in the lower left corner. That shows me that I am flying in parallel to the home point, as it is right now. But so much stuff has happened out here. Maybe it doesn't look like that, but new buildings are popping up everywhere. But at least they have decided to keep the center of this facility near the runway. They've decided to keep that as a nature, recreational area. It'd be such a shame if they decided to build something on there. So, see, there's another type hangar. There's a lot of those on this part. See, we fly over here. See, a lot of stuff is being built. I'm parked here a little bit further to the right, left. I'm right, left hand confused sometimes. I'm parked next to these yellow buildings here. Just fly a little bit along this. Check out what's going on. We have enough battery, so this will allow us to check out. I don't know what those yellow buildings are. Maybe it's a school or something that they are planning to build. What do you think about me picking some sort of random new locations, just taking you for a spin like this, just to investigate what's going on? I think it's nice. There you can see what I'm talking about. A lot of new stuff here. So you can see the school there, that is quite overexposed. Or this yellow building that is in the center of the frame right now. And now I'm running into problems again. So, let's hope it's coming back. Step out here. So it's coming back.